Well, hey everybody, it's Grady here at Uncle Sweetie's Model Works. The last video I uploaded had some tech. Now I'm having technical difficulties. The last video had some technical. You know what? I'm gonna leave it in here. So it didn't get the ending. It didn't get the beginning, and I kind of noticed that when I went to upload it. I did not notice that it cut out the sound. So I'm going to leave that video up to let people see you're going to make mistakes. A lot of my content, a lot of my reason for making content is to help people that don't have a lot of confidence or that are new at either building model cars or YouTubing or whatever on social media overcome some fear, overcome a lack of confidence, and help them understand that you're going to make mistakes along the way. You learn, you figure out how to fix them, you keep going, and you keep pursuing your goals. So that last video is going to stay as an example of mistakes that I have made personally and things that I need to learn from. So the problem with my technical difficulty is I am recording on a phone that's roughly 10 years old. It's a Samsung Galaxy S7, and I've had it all this time, and it's currently offline as far as cell phone service goes. I'm trying to keep it updated with Wi-Fi, but again, it's 10 years old, so it's been retired. I have upgraded to something new, which I still have a couple of things I need to figure out before I can use this to record for YouTube. And I kind of want to have both options available anyway. So, as far as I can tell, what had happened was I upgraded that phone because the memory was completely full. And from what I can figure out, the memory was too full, really, like completely, absolutely full, and didn't take that recording well, that last video that I recorded. So like I said, it was slow. It was being slow and quirky anyway, so it didn't catch the opening of the video for 2 or 3 seconds maybe, and then the sound cut out. So I have gone back to the drawing board. I have fully retired the phone, so I've taken off a lot of apps, all the photos, all the videos, all of everything. So hopefully it has enough video to do what I want it to do, at least for a while, until I can look at maybe an actual social media recording camera or something like that. So this is Black Friday Stash Ads Part 2. I'm not going to show you all the same kits. I'm going to show you a couple of kits because for one thing, somebody called me out in one of those comments on that video, Mike. So I got one for you, brother. So, but this is going to be a stash ad, quite a significant one, and one that I'd been looking at for a long time. And then Mike at Scale Speedworks did. I don't remember if he did an unboxing or not, but he did a stash update with this in it, and it just, he may have done it. I don't remember if he did a box opening or not, but it made me go ahead and pull the trigger on this. So this is a stash ad from, it was also in November, I think. I got it sometime mid-November. But this was not gotten on Black Friday, but I'm also not going to go back through those kits because I think any of you that watched that video saw all those kits. Got a little crazy with the Salvino's JR Black Friday sale. Got me about 7 kits, some old school legends in NASCAR racing, and I think one new one. I did open one of those old school kits and looked at it. And if I understand correctly, those are from older molds that have been reconditioned, whatever, blah, blah, blah. But I did like the way it was packaged. Did like the quality of the decals they have in those. I hadn't actually looked at a Salvino's Junior kit yet. Not big into racing, but the deals that I got for some of these legends from when I was a fan of racing that I knew, AJ Foyt, Darrell Walt. No, I didn't get a Darrell Waltrip. Oh my. Buddy Baker, AJ Foyt, Junior Johnson, Dale, not Dale, not Daryl. Damn it, Petty, Richard Petty. There we go. I got it out. Picked up 7 kits, roughly not even averaging $25 a kit, so that's great prices for the Salvino kits. So on to this. Like I said, this is a stash ad. I'd had my eye on this thing, and what scale is this silly thing? Is this a 12? I've got to look at this. And 9. It's 1/9 scale. Goodness gracious. It's going to be big. The Meng BMW R1250 GS ADV. ADV, I'm guessing, stands for Adventurer, Adventurine, something like that. So this box, this is my hand on the front of this box. Jesus. This is my hand on the side of this box. This thing's big. And it's got, I looked through it, I didn't take anything out of the packaging. I took it out of the box so I could just check it all out. And I may do it here, just to show you guys. I mean, these are body panels right there. Good Lord. Highly detailed. These pressings are crisp and sharp. And I'm thoroughly impressed. I have several Meng kits, and they impress me every time with how sharp they are and all that stuff. And I'm not going to dig through that because there's, I don't know, 10, 20 sprues in there. All of them that are wrapped and all that stuff. The reason, so I'd seen this bike, and I knew it was Meng, and I wanted it. The reason Mike twisted my arm via the internet to get this was that I had seen this too. And if I remember right, he did at least do a box opening of this. Correct me if I'm wrong, Mike. Also by Meng, the BMW R1250 luggage kit. This stuff, this is going to make this bike really cool so that you can set it up for a Dakar rally, a rally bike, off-road, desert, whatever you want. These are the bases of the luggage, and I don't know if it comes up on camera, but these things are 1 inch by 1.5 inches or better. This is going to be a huge kit. But what this is, yeah. So if you don't know bikes well, this is basically a giant dirt bike, and this is hard luggage. And so you've got one each of the saddlebags and one of the, what do you call them? Oh, crap. I don't remember. But it goes behind the seat on the, it's a luggage rack thing. I've got a bike, and I've got this kind of stuff, and I can't remember off the top of my head. Trunk? That isn't quite right, but whatever. But that sits above the back tire behind the passenger seat. Driver, passenger, whatever. And I just thought these look so cool, and they're hard bags, so you can paint them up to be, aluminum with steel trim and framing. And once I saw it, I had to have it. So now I have it. And trust me, that was no small expense. At least not for me. I know I see a lot of these guys where I'm shopping in some of these auctions that can buy whatever they want. I cannot, but I wanted this and I got it. So there's that. And again, if you didn't get too far in the video when the sound cut out, I don't know where I was when the sound cut out. I haven't gone back and looked at the whole thing. Trying to breathe some life back into my hobby, my activity in the hobby, my YouTube channel as well. So if you're not subscribed, help me out, help me move the algorithms, get a little momentum. Here I am with the technical difficulties. Help me get some momentum going. If you're not subscribed, click that button, hit that like button, leave me a comment down below. I promise you, clicking them buttons is only going to hurt a little bit, and only for a minute. And sticking with the Black Friday Part 2 theme, my question that I usually have in my videos is I want you to leave me a comment down below. What is your favorite personal Black Friday purchase? What did you purchase for yourself? Not necessarily this year, but any time. And we don't need to know the deal details. You can give them if you want. What is your favorite Black Friday purchase, whether it was on the day or just in a sale that was extended? What was your favorite Black Friday purchase for yourself? I'm going to leave it at that. And thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. And like I always say, take care of yourself. Take care of each other. And I'll see you next time. Thanks.